Hello children, just imagine the thing which I am going to tell you. Okay, so you are standing in front of your house, you want to go inside because it is very hot outside, that's why you want to go inside, but you have bunch of keys, you don't know which is the actual key for the door. You have 6 or 8 keys in your hand. What will you do? You will take one key and you will try. If it is not opening, still you will try, right? So if you are trying again, you are taking first key and it is not opening, second, third, likewise you are trying, it is not opening. What will you do? You will stop at the middle? No, you will still try to open the door only, right? Likewise, if you are participating in any competition or doing any exam, that time if you met any failure, don't get upset. Keep on trying. If you try only, you can achieve your goal. You can achieve the success. If you stop trying and you are just giving up, what will happen? You will fail again. You will get upset only. So it's better to keep on trying the things. If you show your best, definitely the success will come to your hand. Okay, this is the motivational thought for today's video. Let's start our class. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercise on personal pronouns. It is in your book only. This is the book back exercise. There are 9 questions on your book, but here I have written only 5. Once we completed this 5, we will do the next 4. Okay, so let's do the recap of personal pronouns. We have already learned how to use personal pronouns and what are personal pronouns. If not, still we'll do the recap. Okay, so personal pronouns are the pronoun which is used in place of names only, which is used in place of names of people or object. There only we use. Okay, we have already learned in the personal pronouns in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, you can watch that video and then you come back to this video and you can understand easily. Okay, so what are personal pronouns? These are all personal pronouns. These are all personal pronouns. Here I have divided into 2 parts, that is subject pronouns and object pronouns. Why? Because these subject pronouns are used only at the subject place, that is the first word in a sentence. What is subject? It is the first word in a sentence. There only we are going to use these pronouns, and if a noun comes at the end of the sentence, then we use object pronouns. So what are subject pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the subject pronouns. Okay, and me, us, you, him, her, it, they are the object pronouns. Clear? Where do we use subject pronoun? At the subject place, and object pronouns at the end of the sentence. Clear children? Let's do the exercise. Okay. Rewrite the second sentence with correct pronouns. So this is what given in your book. Rewrite the second sentence with the correct pronouns. And remember that where do we use he, she, it? He represents one boy. He refers to one boy, one male person. She refers to one female person, and it refers to one animal or one bird. And for their plural form will be they only. Okay. So let's do the exercise. First sentence, the lady tried a coat, the lady liked the coat. Here I will translate the sentence. Lady வந்து ஒரு கோட் வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணாங்க, போட்டு பார்த்தாங்க, அந்த லேடிக்கு வந்து அந்த கோட் வந்து பிடிச்சிருக்கு. So this is was the Tamil meaning for the sentence. So here which 2 nouns are repeating? The lady, the coat is repeating, right? I have underlined it. The lady, the coat is repeating again. So if a noun is repeating again for the second sentence, then we use pronouns. Here the lady means it refers to one female person, one female person. So and also it comes at the subject place. You can see this is the second sentence. Start from here to there. This lady comes at the subject place, and what about the coat? Yes, it comes at the end of the place. So if it is comes first, means which pronoun we need to use? I said yes, we need to use subject pronouns. We need to use subject pronouns. Suppose if it is comes at the end of the sentence, then we use object pronouns. Okay, so what is the subject pronoun for the lady? The lady means it refers to one female person. For refers to one female person, which pronoun we use here? Yes, she refers to one female person. So instead of the lady, I can write she. Like will come as it is. the thing only. It is the name of the thing. And also it comes at the end of the sentence. So which pronoun we need to use? Object pronoun only. So here thing name, it is the one thing name. For it refers to one thing name means which pronoun we will use? Yes, it refers to the one thing name. So here instead of the verb it will come, that is she liked it is the correct answer. Clear children? Okay, let's go for the second sentence. Riyaz planted a tree. Riyaz planted a tree. Riyaz looked after the tree. Riyaz looked after the tree. Here the noun Riyaz and tree is repeating again. That is why I have underlined. And now you have to tell me which pronoun will be suitable for Riyaz. Is Riyaz comes at the first of the sentence or last of the sentence? Yes, it comes at first, right? If it is comes first, which pronoun we need to use? We need to use subject pronoun or object pronoun? Yes, we need to use subject pronouns only. So here, what is the subject pronoun for Riyaz? Riyaz refers to one boy only. So in the subject pronoun, which pronoun is suitable for one boy? Yes, he. So here, he will come and looked after will come as it is. He looked after. Instead of writing the tree, which pronoun we need to use? We need to use object pronoun. Why? Because it comes at the end of the sentence only. Am I right? So object pronoun for thing will be it only. So he looked after it. I'll tell you the Tamil meaning for this. Riyaz வந்து ஒரு ட்ரீயை நட்டாங்க, பிளான் பண்ணாங்க. அவங்க ரியாஸ் வந்து அந்த ட்ரீயை வந்து பார்த்துட்டாங்க. லுக் ஆஃப்டர் மீன்ஸ் பார்த்துக்கிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வில் கோ ஃபார் தேர்ட் ஒன். Bridges are built by engineers. Bridges are built by engineers. And bridges are also maintained by engineers. Bridges are also maintained by engineers. So here I am going to tell you the translation. Bridges are built by engineers means what? The bridges எல்லாமே வந்து இன்ஜினியரால தான் கட்டப்பட்டது. அந்த bridges எல்லாமே அவங்களால தான் மெயின்டைனும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவங்க தான் அதை வந்து சரியா பார்த்துட்டும் இருக்காங்க. That is the Tamil meaning. So now bridges and engineers are repeating again. Right? Bridges and engineers are repeating again. And this which comes at the first place? Which is the word is comes first at the subject place? Yes, bridges. Bridges தான first வந்திருக்கு. ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல first வந்திருக்குன்னா அது என்னது? That is subject only. So subjectல வந்துச்சுனா which pronoun we need to use? Subject pronoun only. Okay, so bridges means it's a thing. It's not only one thing, it's a many thing. Plural form. Then bridgesங்கிறது plural. அப்போ pluralா இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? They. So here they will come. They are also maintained by engineers வந்திருக்கு. So engineer refers to many persons. So நான் subject pronoun they use பண்ணலாமா? No. Why? Because அது வந்து லாஸ்ட்ல வந்திருக்கு. So we need to use object pronoun. So theyக்கு வந்து என்ன object pronoun? That is them. So them is the correct answer. They are also maintained by them. Okay, let's do 4 and 5. The woman visited her daughter. The woman visited her daughter. The woman had not seen her daughter for a month. The woman had not seen her daughter for a month. Here என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, அந்த woman வந்து அவங்க மகளை விசிட் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த woman வந்து அவங்க டாட்டரை வந்து ஒரு மாசமா பார்க்கவே இல்லை. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் த woman and her daughter is repeating again. woman வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஸ்ல வந்திருக்கா சப்ஜெக்டா. ஸோ it refers to one female person. அப்போ சப்ஜெக்ட்ல ஒரு ஃபீமேல் பர்சனை நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? she. அப்புறம் had not seen will come as it is. her daughter இருக்கு. her daughterனாலும் ஒரு கேர்ளை தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுது. பட் இது வந்து எண்டில் வந்திருக்கனால நம்ம ஆப்ஜெக்ட் pronoun யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போனா நம்ம her தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். her for a month. Why we are not writing to her? Because her daughterனால அவங்க பொண்ணு தான். நாமனாலே her ன்னு சொன்னாலே that's enough. Okay, let's do fifth sentence. Okay students, let's continue doing the fifth questions. Okay, so I have written remaining 5 questions, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's continue doing it. Fifth question is, the detectives kept a watch on the thieves. The detectives captured the thieves. I'll translate. Detectives வந்து திருடர்கள் மேல ஒரு கண்ணு வச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. comes at the subject place. The detectives are the thieves. இது வந்து subject placeல வந்திருக்கு. The detectives இதுதான் first second sentenceல first word வந்திருக்கு. அப்போனா we need to use subject pronouns only. So the detective means it may be many people, many persons. So we need to use they only. Okay, if we are talking about many persons, we use subject pronoun as that is they. So the answer will be they. Captured will come as it is. Instead of writing thieves, the thieves, which pronoun we need to use? Remember that it comes at the end of the sentence. இது வந்து ஒரு எண்ட்ல வந்திருக்கு. சென்டென்ஸ்ல எண்ட்ல வந்துச்சுனா நம்ம மறுபடியும் they வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். இது ரெண்டு யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். We use only object pronouns. So here the thieves will be the plural persons, right? So here we need to use them only. So they is the subject pronoun. What is the object pronoun for they will be them only. Okay, them is the object pronoun for they. So here we need to write the object pronoun that is them. So they captured them is the correct answer. Clear? Let's do the sixth question. My sister and I invited our friends. My sister and I invited our friends. My sister and I chatted with our friend. My sister and I chatted with our friends. I'll translate. நான் என்னுடைய சிஸ்டரும் வந்து எங்களுடைய நண்பர்களை இன்வைட் பண்ணோம் அழைச்சு வந்து வீட்டுக்கு. ஸோ நானும் என்னுடைய சிஸ்டரும் அவங்க கூட வந்து நல்லா சேட் பண்ணோம், அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து நாங்கள் பேசணும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி தமிழ் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன். Here which two nouns are repeating? Yes, my sister and I. My sister and I, it's repeating again. Is there any one more is repeating? Yes, our friends, our friends. This is also repeating. So here, which is the subject? My sister and I when the subject. Our friends when the subject. Which comes first? Yes, my sister and I the first one. So this is the subject. So subject la irukra noun change panona, which pronoun we need to use? We need to use subject pronoun only. So here I am talking about me and my sister. I am talking about I and my sister means I am talking about the plural of myself also with about my sister. So that will be the plural, that is we. If I am only talking about me, then the subject pronoun will be I. But I am also talking about my sister only. So the subject pronoun will be we only. So here, what is the answer? Yes, we. Chatted with will come as it is. Our friends, our friends. It comes at the end of the sentence. Endல தான் இது வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப endல வந்தது என்ன pronoun நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணனும்? Yes, we need to use object pronoun. So friends means many persons. அப்ப many persons na we use them only. So we chatted with them is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, let's go for 7. My father washes our cars every Sunday. My father makes the car shine. என்னுடைய ஃபாதர் எவ்ரி சண்டே காரை வந்து வாஷ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவர் வந்து அந்த காரை வந்து ரொம்ப ஷைனிங்காக ரொம்ப பளிச்சுன்னு மேக் பண்ணுவார், அது அவ்வளோ அழகாக க்ளீன் பண்ணுவார். திஸ் இஸ் வாட் தி தமிழ் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் விச் நவுன் இஸ் ரிப்பீட்டிங்? My father. Okay, my father is repeating again. Is there any other name? Yes, car. Car. The word car is repeating again. So here we need to change my father first because it comes at the subject place, right? My father is a male person and it is at the subject place. The subject place and it talks about one male person means which pronoun we use in subject pronoun? Yes, he. So he makes. Instead of writing the car it comes end of the sentence only. After the subject only it is coming. So here we need to use object pronoun only. So car is the one thing name. So here I am going to write it only. So it is the one thing name. The car. My father makes the car shine. So here I am going to use it only. He makes it shine. Clear, children? Yes. Let's do it. Anura opened the box. After some time, Anura closed the box. So Anura வந்து box open பண்ணாங்க. கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு இந்த box அவங்க close பண்ணிட்டாங்க. This is the Tamil translation, Tamil meaning for this sentence. Here, which nouns are repeating? After some time, Anura. Again, Anura is repeating here. and box. The box repeat agudu. Okay, so these two words are repeating here. And which word comes first? Anura. So Anura is the subject, right? So we need to use subject pronoun for Anura. Anura means it's talk about one female person, one girl. For girl, which subject pronoun we use? For girl, yes, she. So we need to write the second sentence from after sometimes. After some time, instead of Anura, what I need to write? Yes, she closed the box. Instead of writing the box, which pronoun I need to use? Remember, it comes at the end. If it comes at the end, we need to use object pronoun, and it is one thing name, so we can use it. After some time, she closed it is the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the last. The photographer showed us his photographs. The photographer showed us his photographs. Then the photographer put his photographs up in an exhibition. Okay, I'll tell you the Tamil translation. Photographers வந்து அவருடைய ஃபோட்டோஸை வந்து எங்களுக்கு காமிச்சாரு, ஷோ பண்ணாரு. அதுக்கப்புறமா அவர் அந்த ஃபோட்டோஸை வந்து எக்ஸிபிஷனில் வந்து போட்டுட்டாரு, எக்ஸிபிஷனில் வந்து போடுறதுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாரு. திஸ் இஸ் தி மீனிங். ஓகே, now check out the second sentence. Which words or which nouns are repeating? Yes, the photographer is repeating again. Any other? Yes, his photographs. His photographs is also repeating again. So here, which is the subject? Photographer or photographs? Yes, photographer comes first. So the photographer is the subject. So the answer will be then. The photographer refers to one male person. Am I right? So in subject pronoun, which refers to one male person? He. So then he put his photographs. Instead of his photograph, which pronoun we need to use? It comes after the subject, so we need to use object pronoun only. Photographs means it's talking about the thing name, but it is the plural. So if it is plural, we need to use them only. He put them up in an exhibition. This will come as it is. Clear, children? So then he put them up in an exhibition will be the correct answer. This is all. This exercise, it is in your book, which is page number 99. Okay, it is in the book page number 29. So you can refer the book and check out the answer. Do by yourself. I hope you are clear with this personal pronouns and where to use personal pronouns. Thank you so much.